Any more and any more. Do you think these two are the same? Many learners do, but there's a subtle difference. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English with Joan. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between any more and any more. First, let's look at any more. In American English, we write any more as one word, and we use it in negative sentences to mean no longer. That means something was true in the past, but now it is not true. Let's understand this clearly with examples. I don't live there anymore. I lived there before, but now I don't. She doesn't call me anymore. She called me before, but now she doesn't. I don't love you anymore. I loved you before, but now I don't. We don't use this app anymore. We used it before, but now we don't. I don't need help anymore. I needed help before, but now I don't. So you can see a pattern here. Past yes, now no. That is why we use any more. Also remember, we usually use any more in negative sentences like don't, doesn't, didn't, can't, and won't. For example, I don't watch TV anymore. He can't run fast anymore. They don't talk anymore. Now you clearly understand any more as one word, meaning time and no longer. Now let's move to any more. Any more is written as two words, and it is used when we talk about quantity or amount, meaning more of something. Let's understand this clearly with examples. Do you have any more water? This means, do you have extra water? I don't need any more help. This means, I already have enough help. I don't need extra. She doesn't want any more food. This means she has had enough food. Are there any more questions? This means are there additional questions? So here the idea is simple. We are talking about extra amount or additional things. Now let's quickly compare both. I don't live there anymore. This is time, no longer. I don't need any more money. This is quantity, extra amount. So remember this simple rule. And before you go, remember there is also a difference between good at, good in, and good with. To learn this, click the video on the screen right now. See you in the next lesson.